Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn here how can you create a new document in MS Word. How can create a new document in MS Word. A new blank document always open when you start Microsoft Word. But suppose that you want start another new document while you are working, or another document, or you close already open document and want to start a new document. How can? Very simple. See it carefully. Just click the file tab and select new option. When you select new option, from the first column it will be display of list icon. Click on blank document icon, which is very first option, and then blank document opens and is ready to accept your text. Let us see how can you open the first screen of the MS Word and select the blank document. I want to share my screen to show it. Click on start button and choose all apps. Scroll down your mouse and choose the Microsoft Word. Here is given Microsoft Word and click on it. It will be open. You can see the first icon is here, blank document, and click on it. It is ready. It is a accept to your text. Yes. How can you create a new document? First click on file tab and select new option. Suppose you have already opened this file and I want to once again click on file tab. It is a file tab and click on new. It is a new option. New option. When you have to select new option, from the first column it will display a list of icon. See, now it is a display of the list icon. And now click the blank document icon, which is very first option. It is a first option, and blank document opens and is ready to accept your text or images or objects. Now students, insert text in a document. How can insert text in a document? When a new document appears on the screen, you will see a blinking cursor in it at the start of the document. You can start typing your text. When you start typing, the blinking cursor automatically moves to the right after typing the letters. The blinking cursor automatically moves to the right after typing the letters. When the line becomes full of words, it automatically shifts to the next line. We will be see here how can insert text and how can cursor is shifting right side when you are typing. I want to share my screen. See it. Click on start button and choose the Microsoft Word. It will be open. Choose the blank document. It is the first document. Very first option is there, and choose it. Open. It is ready for accept your text. Insert text in a document. Insert text in your document. Insert text in your document. How? Very simple. When a new document appear on the screen, you will see the blinking cursor in it. It is the blinking cursor where my mouse is. Yes, you can see easily. It is a cursor is blinking here. To start of the document. Now you can start typing your text. Yes, I want to start my typing. Dear students, for new line you can press the enter button to create a new line. See, I am starting to type. I am ABC. We are learning the new things in computer. See, when I was typing this sentence, blinking cursor is automatically shift or moves right side after the typing the letters. It is the cursor. This cursor is blinking cursor is automatically moved to the right after the typing the letters. Yes, and when the line becomes full of words, suppose I want to once again remove it. See, in the last there is a last word, but it is the end of the line. When I have to start to typing, it will be shifted automatically to the next line in computer. Maybe you have understood. Suppose I want to add new line or create a new line, or I want to jump for the second line. So very simple, you can press enter key of the keyboard. Just press the enter key of the keyboard. It will be shifted next line, created next line, and you can start for typing. Our class teacher is doing very well to teach us new things on computer. Yes, you can see easily the blinking cursor automatically shift right after the typing the letters, and when the line becomes full of words, it is automatically shifts to the next line. To create a new line, you can press enter button to create a new line and start typing. Understood? Now, how can save a document? What you have to done in MS Word, how can you save your files? Saving a document. When you have done your typing in your new Word document, you have to save your documents. First, click on File tab and select Save As option. A dialog box will be appear to save your file, put file name, what you want to file name, and then after click on save button. It will be saved. When you will be open, your file name will become on the title bar. It will be so on the title bar. Click on save button and your document will be saved with the entire name what you want. You will see the name of document on the title bar. You can see what you have given, that file name, it will become also on title bar. How can you save your file? Let us see. Yes, you have already typed here and I want to save this file. It is already given the save button. When you have to click on the save button, dialog box will appear. See, first I want to see here, click on save. See, box will be appear. Save as option is here and choose the location where you want to save it. So you want to choose the location from here, browse and check where you want. Suppose I want to choose desktop and file name is computer. And then after press save button. A second, click on file tab and choose save here. If you have to not save anytime, first time you want to save, you can use also this button, save button. Same dialog box will be appear, option will be appear. See, save as. Yes, or once again click on file tab and now choose save as. It will be also come that save as option. Now it is a save as and choose the browse where you want to choose the location and click on desktop. I want to write here computers and press the save button. Now you can see here your title bar shown computers. It is a file name. It is on the title bar. It is a file name of the title bar. Very simple. Or you can also press, suppose I want to here remove this line. Select which word or which sentence or which letter you want to delete. Very simple. Select the text or object and press the delete button. It will be deleted. And now you can press save button. No dialog box will be appear because you have already given the file name. See, when I have to click on here, save as, save only, save, see, and close this document. Now you can see it is your computer files and open, double click on it. Yes, it is open. Once again double click on this and see it is open because you have already saved this one. Now children, yes children, you can also use shortcut key for save your documents. Very simple. Press the Ctrl Ctrl button and S, Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus S to save your documents. Suppose I want to remove this dot and save this file, press the Ctrl S and close this file. Now you can see easily, double click on it. Yes, see, the dot has removed because you have to save this file. Shortcut method to save your file, Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus S to save your file. Ctrl plus S to save your file. Yes, maybe you have understood shortcut key for save your files. If you have to choose the first time save, when you have to press Ctrl S, dialog box will be appear to save it and choose the file name what you want. It will be, and then after you can save it, click on save button and your document will be saved with the entire name what you have given. You will see the name of document on the title bar. Now children, copying and moving text. Suppose you want to copy of the text or moving of the text from one place to another place, or one line in different line, or one line from next line. MS Word allow you to copy text that is already in your document and paste it to the other area of the document where you want, which can save your time. If there is a text that you wish to move from one area of the document to another, you can cut and paste or drag and drop the text. These are two methods, cut and paste or drag and drop the text. Yes, very simple. First we will learn here how can you use the copy and paste option. Let us see how can you use the copy and paste option. Yes, suppose students, I have written here I am ABC. I want to choose this ABC and right click of this option will be appear and choose the copy option and suppose I want to paste here and right click once again where you want to paste and click on this, it will be pasted. Our second method, once again I want to choose this file, choose this word and click on here, it is the home tab, and choose the option clipboard. There is a given the copy and copy option, choose it and where you want to paste. Suppose I want to paste here after this, and once again same, right click and paste here. See, now it is a V, ABC V, what you have to select it has come. Suppose once again I want to third method use. Select your text object and choose the shortcut key for the copy, Ctrl plus C. Hold the Ctrl key and press the C button. It has copied, and where you want to paste, just you want to paste here. For the shortcut key to paste, Ctrl plus V, to paste here. You can copy one time and paste unlimited time. Suppose I want to paste this file, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control plus V, Control plus V, Control plus V, Control plus V, means you can copy one time and paste unlimited time. You can also see here icon is the paste icon, and click on this, it will become, see what I have, when I have to press it, it will become, see, very simple. First you have to select, there is a 3 method to, you can copy and paste it. Yes, maybe you have understood. Students, MS Word saves the documents with .docx extension. It is the newest version, and earlier version was .doc extension of MS Word is in earlier version .doc, and newest version .docx. It is the extension of MS Word, Microsoft Word extension is .docx or .doc. Yes students, in MS Word saves the documents with .docx extension. It is the newest version, and in earlier version was MS Word saved the documents with .doc extension. Yes, extension of MS Word, Microsoft Word is .docx. It is the newest version, and earlier version .doc. Microsoft Word saved the document with .doc or .docx extension. Now, to copy and paste. Copy text, create a duplicate of text. First, you can see, select the text you wish to copy, and then after click the copy command of the home tab. You can also right click the selected text and copy from the pop-up menu, and now place that point where you wish to text to appear, and click the paste command on the home tab. It will be pasted. Now, to cut and paste text, how can you cut the text and paste it? Let us see. Here students, I want to cut this line, this sentence from here to here. Very simple. First you have to select and right click, choose the cut option. Yes, I have to cut. Where you want to paste is, yes, I want to paste where my cursor is blinking, and once again right click and choose the paste option. Yes, it is the first method. Second, once again I want to select this word sentence and click the cut command on the home tab. You can also right click the selected text and select cut from the pop-up menu. Yes, now I have to select it from here and choose the cut option, and then after where you want to paste it, click on that. Suppose I want to paste in between, and now you can see your cursor is blinking here. Now you can use the paste option. It is up from the file tab. There is a home tab, and click on the paste command. On the home tab, the text will be appear. See what you have to selected, it has been appeared. Yes, and once again I want to use drag and drop method. Dragging and dropping text allow you to use to the mouse to move text. Suppose I want to use this text or this sentence and drag here to this side and select the text and hold the left button, select the text and hold left key of the mouse button and drag from and where you want to, just you can see easily in mouse downside of the mouse there is a given a rectangular, and press here, it will be moved. Yes, very simple. Once again you can see, select your text and drag it from here to this side. You can just, I want to press here where you want to, suppose I want to here, release your mouse button and it will be here. Yes, where you want you can just hold, and first you have to select that text where you want, hold the left key of the mouse button and where you want to paste it, release the mouse of that and it will be there. Click and drag the text to the location where you want to appear. The cursor will have a rectangular under it to indicate that you are moving text, and release the mouse button and the text will appear at new location. If text does not appear in the exact location you wish, you can press the enter key on your keyboard to move the text to a new line. Suppose the text will be not appear, you can hold the mouse, select the text and hold the mouse, select and hold the mouse. See, now hold the mouse where you want to press that one, you can press the enter key. Suppose I want to here, I want to move from here, I am DI students ABC, like this type you want to click and press the enter button, it will be here. If text does not appear in the exact location you wish, you can press the enter key on your keyboard to move the text to a new line. Yes, I want to move the text in new line, just press the enter button, it will be in new line. And suppose I want to press enter button, it will be move on new line. Yes, you can also move that text in new line. Very simple. I hope you have understood. Do the practice at your home if you have PC or laptop. Take care. Bye bye.